Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, we need to open services window. For that, go to search bar and type here services, and from the search results click here to open it. Then we need to find out the background intelligent services, so you can simply press B to find this service quickly. Background intelligent transfer service, so simply right click on it, select properties, and make sure you need to select the startup type as disable, and then click on apply and then OK. Again, find out the sysmain, so simply type S, here it is, right click on it, select properties, set startup type as disabled, click on OK and apply. Again, go for Windows search. You can simply press W to get this service quickly. Right click on it, select properties, again set startup type as disabled. Once done, go for Windows update. Right click on it, select properties and set startup type as disabled, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, just close this window and then go to search bar, type your registry editor, click here to open it, select S. Once we're here, we need to just go back to the main window. Just give me a second. Okay, here we go. Now we need to expand the HQ local machine, so just expand this, then go for system folder. Now expand the current control set folder. Now go for control folder and just scroll down and find out the session manager. So here it is, just expand this and select the memory management. On the right side, we need to right click on the clear page file at shutdown, so select modify. You need to just right click on it and select modify and make sure we have to change the value data as to 1. Then click on OK and close this window. So once done, just go to search bar and type here background apps and simply click on here. You can also disable all these and uninstall the unwanted applications from your system and just restart the system. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly and more effectively. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.